Hello, my dear student. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you and your family member safe at home. Yes or no? So, in this corona crisis, I will not let your study. So, I am doing my best to. So, you should not let your study from distance. Okay. So, in the previous classes, okay, I have discussed already. Okay, I have discussed. The vitamin. Okay, so the source of a vitamin, function of a vitamin. Okay, yes or no? So I hope you are enjoying my online classes. Okay, stay safe and stay connected. Like and subscribe the channel. Let's discuss again the what is the mineral. Yes or no? So write down it is the mineral. So what is mineral? Yes or no? So it is a one type of a nutrient. Okay, so it is a nutrient in our food which required very small quantity. Yes or no? So it is not required very large quantity. Okay, because it is required, it is a small quantity. Write down. Okay, these are the these are the okay nutrient nutrient in our food. Okay, so these are the nutrient our food. Yes or no? These are the nutrient in our food. Okay, these content, these are okay, these are required. Okay, require very small amount. Okay, very small what quantity. You can write amount, quantities. Okay, so quantity means amount. Okay, so okay, mineral, these are the nutrient in our food. Okay, so it is what? It is a nutrient. Yes or no? So already I told na what how many nutrient, the formula already you remember na. Mary prefer fresh vegetable over the what fruits. Okay, yes or no? So in that till death you have to remember this formula, because this is the very useful formula. In that trick you can remember 5 nutrient. Yes or no? So these are the nutrient in our food. These are required. Okay, very small quantity. Okay, small means it's not required by that much food. How much you are eating? One plate of food to 5 chapati, 3 chapati, like this. Okay, but this is nutrient, they are not like this, they are required very small. Okay, so some tell me some example of a nutrient. Yes or no? So iron. Okay, iron, calcium. Okay, calcium, phosphorus. Yes or no? Potassium. So these are the so many nutrients is there. Okay, so these are the nutrient. Okay, these are the mineral nutrient. Okay, these are the mineral. Okay, so iron, calcium, phosphorus, potassium. Okay, so then now shall discuss the source of these mineral, where we can get. Okay, where we can get this mineral from plant or animal, maybe. Yes or no? So now discuss the particular source. Okay, the particular source where we can get this type of mineral. Okay, so write down first. Okay, make one here, source of a mineral. Yes or no? So what will happen? You make a put line. Okay, so here you write iron. Iron. Okay, then another one is calcium, phosphorus. Okay, then what? Potassium. So then let's discuss one by one. Okay, source of a mineral. Okay, so source of a mineral. So it is iron. So tell me two source name where we can get the what iron. Okay, so tell me. So we can get the iron from the where? Is it salt? Yes or no? Where? Salt and seafood. So from the seafood and okay, from the salt and seafood we can all the seafood. Okay, so it is salty na? Yes or no? Yes or no? So an iodine. Okay, so from the iodine salt. Yes or no? So iodized salt we are eating na. So these salt and seafood, from these two food we can get the iron. Okay, then come to what? Then come to what? Calcium. Okay, so tell me the fruits name where we can get the calcium. It is the where? Milk. Yes or no? So it is the milk. Then what? Green vegetable. Green vegetable. Yes or no? So from the milk and green vegetables we can get the calcium. So what is the function of calcium? So it is make stronger bone and muscle. Yes or no? So without calcium, what will happen? So many disease may be happen. So you have to take care of this. Yes or no? So then come to what? Then phosphorus. Okay, tell me two food source where we can get phosphorus. So we are eating daily different type of nutrient, but we don't know these are calcium, these are iron, these are all the things. Yes or no? Yes na? So then write down phosphorus. So it is breads, pulses, then nodes. Okay, so phosphorus, where we can get the phosphorus? From the breads, pulses and nodes. Yes or no? And tell me the two food name where we can get the potassium. Okay, so potassium, yes or no? So it is a one type of mineral. It is required in our body for the some functioning. Yes or no? So tell me some food name. So it is a what? Fruits. Fruits. Okay, green vegetable and citrus food. Citrus food means all the orange, amla, okay, all the things. Green vegetable. Green vegetable. Okay, so green vegetable. Okay, so green vegetable, fruits. Citrus food means the food which are taste is it is acidity. Okay, you think amla, orange, guava, so these are the citrus food. Okay, so in that food, okay, so in that food it is contain what? Citrus. It is contain citrus. So in this corona crisis you should eat much more citrus food. Why? Because this food contain vitamin C. Okay, so what is the function of vitamin C? So it is fight, okay, against the virus, bacteria. Yes or no? And yes or no? So in this corona crisis you have to eat more what type of food? It is a citrus type of food. Yes or no? So be stay. Okay, so this is about the source of mineral. Okay, so many source is there. Okay, so many mineral is there. Only I written. Yes or no? Then come to next. What is it? Dietary fiber. Okay, then can I wrong? Yes. Come to dietary fiber or roughage. Okay, so what will happen? Some food, okay, so they are not nutrient. Okay, but they are required our body for the digestion of other food. Okay, okay, so these are the some food is there na? Yes or no? So these are not required in our body for the nutrient. Okay, so they cannot provide nutrient because they help in the digestion of other food. Yes or no? So we are eating a daily cucumber, okay, cucumber, salad, and some fruits, okay, okay. So what will happen? These are not nutrient. They are not provide nutrient because so they what will happen? They digest the other food. So these are called dietary fiber or roughage, okay. Dietary, okay, dietary fibers ba it is called what? Roughage food. Roughage food, okay. So the food, write down, the food which okay, which help in the digestion. The food which help in the digestion are called, okay, are called roughage food ba otherwise dietary fiber, okay. Yes or no? So tell me some example of so these are not a nutrient. Yes. So this food cannot provide nutrient. Why? So this food cannot provide nutrient. This food can provide only water. So it is help in the digestion of other food. Yes or no? So tell me some example of dietary fiber. So it is salad. Yes or no? Fruits. Yes or no? Okay. Some citrus food. Okay. Citrus food means amla, orange, guava, okay. So these are the citrus food, okay. So dietary fiber. So why this required dietary fibers? Because these food they cannot provide nutrient, but they help in the digestion of other food. Yes or no? Sometimes what will happen? Hey, we take just a lemon. Because why? Because it is these are the dietary fiber. They can help or digest the other food. Yes or no? So when you go through the 7th standard, you will be now about this. What is the function of a dietary fiber? Yes or no? So then come to, okay, in the with the dietary fiber. So water is there, okay. Water also required. Yes or no? Why? Okay, water make food digestion easy. Okay, so in our body 60% is water is there. Write down. Okay, in our body 60% water present. Okay, so in your body weight, okay, suppose your 70 kg body weight, in that 70%, 70%, so 60% is water, okay. So more is water in our body, more is water. Yes or no? So what will happen? This water help in the digestion of food. Yes or no? So it will help digestion of food. Digestion means breakdown, okay. Digestion means breakdown of food. Yes or no? So this, okay, so this, so it will help of digestion of food, okay. So you must drink. How many? You must drink, okay. You must drink, okay, 8 to 10 glasses water. Water daily, okay. So daily you have to drink how much? 8 to 10 glass water, because this water it will be transported the food material to the blood and digest the food. Yes or no? So water is the most important in our dietary fiber. Yes or no? Then come to what is the balanced diet, okay. So what is balanced diet? Okay, why we require balanced diet? Yes or no? Yes or no? We are eating all the type of nutrient. Yes or no? So why we require balanced diet? So first we understand okay, what is balanced diet. Okay, write down. Write down. What is this? It is a balanced diet. Okay. Diet means okay. So a dish of food for in your day. Okay. So in today I had okay. Today I had what chapati or sabji vegetables. Okay. So it is a one diet. Yes or no? Then balanced diet. Okay. Balance you now. Okay. Sometimes hey, balance your body. Balance means so don't make it easy small or larger. Okay. So make it is equal form. Balance means equal form. Okay. So equal form. Here this side is 50% means this side may be 50%. So this is called balance. Okay. So balance your weight. Yes sir, they told na like this. So why balance diet? Okay. So write down the food. Okay. Which contain water, all nutrients. Okay, these okay, the food which contain all nutrients are called balanced diet. Okay, balanced diet. Okay, all nutrient, carbohydrate. Yes or no? Carbohydrate, fat, protein, mineral, vitamin. Yes or no? So these food are called what? Balanced diet. Okay. Yes or no? So these food. Okay. So these are the 5 nutrient. Okay. And some water. Water to already you need na. Yes or no? So these food what? Carbohydrate, fat, protein, mineral. Okay. Vitamins. So these are called what? Balanced diet. Okay. So why required balanced diet? Always we are eating so many type of fruits. Okay. So you think, suppose in morning I had a chapati and some vegetables. Okay. So daily we are eating same type of food. Yes or no? No. We are daily eating different type of food. Okay. Tell me, we can get all the nutrient from one food? No. So we are eating different type of food. That's why balanced diet is needed. Why? Because due to the deficiency of balanced diet, you may be faces some disease. You think some child they cannot grow. Yes or no? Means here balanced diet is required or deficiency. Some children they born and they are very small. The height is very low. Yes or no? And some student they cannot walk. Okay, why? Because due to the deficiency of balanced diet. Yes or no? And some student facing so many disease. You think in village in second standard, first standard nursery student they are using glasses. Why? So these are the due to the deficiency of balanced diet, because in their body some nutrient, these are the 5 nutrient, these nutrient are deficiency in their body. So that's why they are facing this type of disease. Yes or no? So always you have to eat different type of food item. Yes or no? So already you know which food contain fat, which food protein. Yes or no? So always you have to eat different type of food and stay safe and stay connected. Yes. So then okay. So what will happen? So this is about the what? Balanced diet. Then come to, so what will happen? How sometimes due to our human activity, okay, so some nutrient are lost in our food. How? So sometimes you observe in your mother, they are cutting the vegetables and cutting or peel the vegetables. Okay, after wash. Yes or no? And sometimes see what will happen, they before they wash. Okay, so you think, so this is happen why? Because they don't have knowledge about the loss of the nutrient in your food. Yes or no? So what will happen, always wash your food before cutting or peels. Okay, so you should not cut after cutting or peels. Okay, so because why you cut, because the nutrient will be lost in the food. Yes or no? So loss of a nutrient, loss of a nutrient. Okay, so what will happen, so do not, okay, wash vegetable, okay, after cutting and peeling. Okay, okay, peels. Okay, so you should not wash, you do not wash. Okay, so okay, so before cutting you have to wash. First what will happen, you have to wash the potato with the water, then cut up. Okay, because the nutrient will be remain. So otherwise what will happen, your mother they first cut and wash with water, means nutrient will be lost, all the things will be lost. Yes or no? So and bacteria virus will be enter to the food. Yes or no? So some one vitamin is there. Okay, so vitamin C. Okay, so it is the lost the cooking habit. Yes or no? So what will happen, we cook food why? Okay, why? Because food will be digest easily. Yes or no? Yes or no? So we cook food, food will be digest easily and it make taste. Yes or no? So you think some food that we are eating raw food. Yes or no? So it will be take some time to digest. Yes or no? So vitamin C, write down. Vitamin, okay, C losses their nutrient by eating. Okay, so if you eat vitamin C, tell me which the food name which contain vitamin C. It is the amla, guava, yes, or orange or santra. Okay, so these are the vitamin C. Okay, so if you heat or boil this food, what will happen? The vitamin, the nutrient. Okay, so the nutrient will be lost. Yes. So that's why, so you should not boil the food maximum time, because the vitamin will be lost. Yes or no? So these are the loss of how the vitamin are lost. Okay, then come to obesity. Okay, what is obesity? Okay, so obesity, it is a process of okay, so think in our fifth standard, one student is there now. So in the fifth standard, at the age of 18 or 19 years, 9 years. Okay, so what will happen? The stomach is how much the fat is look like. Yes or no? So this condition is called obesity. Okay, so obesity means, write down. Obesity is the condition. Obesity is the condition to eating. Okay, obesity is the condition to eat. Okay, to eating too much, okay, fat food. So obesity, okay, obesity is the condition to eat too much, okay, fat food. Okay, so nowadays in our city area, okay, so pizza, burger, yes or no, so many different types of KFC, okay, Swiggy, Zomato, all so many food item is coming into market. Okay, so you should not eat this type of food that large amount, because this food contain large amount of fat. Okay, what will happen if you eat this food regularly? Okay, so what will happen, the stomach will be come out, and your body growth will be, yes, you will look like moto. Okay, so you should not eat this type of food. Okay, so मोटा होते ना ज्यादा, okay, fat निकालता था. In your stomach, textbook one picture is there, bhujo, how the stomach is coming, it is large, yes or no? So this is due to the obesity, yes or no? So obesity is the condition to eat too much food. Okay, so you should not eat the food material is available in the market. Okay, because this food contain high number of what, fat, yes or no? So this is over. Next period I will discuss the deficiency of vitamin. Okay, so what are the disease will happen due to the deficiency of vitamin or mineral. Okay, so stay safe, stay connected. Thank you. Like, subscribe the channel. Okay.